Do you love trapezoids? I love me some trapezoids. All right, find the area of the trapezoid. Now notice that it's marked with the two parallel markings here and here, right? That means that those sides are parallel, which is a property of a trapezoid. So even if it didn't say that it was a trapezoid, we could assume that it is, or conclude that it is a trapezoid. Okay, so let's get to work here. We want to find the area of the trapezoid. Well, what's our area formula for a trapezoid? We should probably jot that down. That is our base 1 plus base 2 times my height over 2, or 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height, some form of that, right? Okay, so do I have any information at this current juncture? I have one of the bases. I don't have the height. I don't have the other base. So what am I going to do here? Well, how about I put base 1 equals 15, base 2, I hope that comes to us, and height, I don't know either. Hopefully it shows up at some point. Okay, now let's get to work. I see a wonderful right triangle over here, don't you? I do. Yes, and it's a 5, what, 13? It is a 5, 12, 13. And if you did not remember, 5, 12, 13, 5 squared plus x squared is equal to 13 squared. Solve for x, and you will end up with 12. All right, cool. Pythagorean theorem, always good. Families, even better, because a lot of problems come up with that, right? Maybe not even better, just nice to have as well. Yes? Okay, cool. All right, next up. Could we throw that as a height over here? And now I have a 45, what 90 triangle? It's going to be 45, 45, 90 triangle. So let me jot that up here. And I know that this is a height of 12. So now I'm dealing with a special right triangle here. And I know my 45, 45, 90 triangle, those legs are going to be congruent. So that makes this length right here 12 as well. And although that's not another dimension that I want, I do have my height right now. I forgot to mark that down. 12. All right. Although that's not a length that I want, perhaps I could use the 15 from above. And now I have 12 plus 15 plus 5. So that's 32 all together. All right. Do we have everything? We got everything. Look at that. That's awesome. So I got area equals, and then I got base 1, which is going to be 15, as we said. And then we got 32 for base 2. Those ones, doesn't matter if you flip-flop those, right? Addition is commutative. Multiplied by my height of 12 all over 2. All right, now I could reduce the 12 and the 2 down to 6 there. So I'd have, let's see here, 47 times 6. All right. It's very close to doing 50 times 6. So here's how I'd mental math this thing. And I just checked it with my calculator too. Make sure I didn't make a mental math error. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. So 47 is close to 50, right? 50 times 6, 5 times 6 is 30. So that'd be 300, okay? Now, that's 50 times 6. But I did an overage of 3 each time, right? What's 3 times 16? That's 18. So I'd subtract 18 out, and that's going to leave me with 282. And if you type that into your calculator, you will get 282, and this is going to be feet squared. Woo! I always like to at least attempt some mental math. Again, I'm not lying. I checked it in my calculator before recording this to make sure I did it right. But that was the process that I went through. It can help. Makes your brain work a little bit more, right? And it also works with mental math skills and things like that, because there's a a no calculator section on the SAT and in many tests, okay? So just be ready for it. Keep that brain working, right? We don't want that thing just getting all calculator happy. Use that brain. Okay, I think I'm done.